Alright folks, I'm going to show you what I got right here today. 2005 Chevy 4-door, 4x4, 4-wheel drive Silverado, maroon there. Now with the sun shining on it, you can see what color it is. Let me back up and just let you take a look. Good looking vehicle. You got the black Nerf bars on the bottom. Yokohama tires all the way around, white lettered. This truck ain't beat up, banged up, slick. Tell Bryce Farmer didn't own this one. Inside, got the charcoal cloth interior. Got a Sony CD player in it, I like that. There's the old fold down console. Keyless entry, all your power features. Good looking truck. www.talonsons.com. Videos, photos, and more.